people, I am back again with another Saturday book video, and for today, we will be testing out book hacks. Well, it's not something that we normally do in this channel. In fact, this is the first one. So we are going to test out book hacks that are coming from YouTube. Because I came across this video wherein she showed one of the book hacks that I can do with my old books. And I really want to test that out if it really works or not. So in order for us to know, you shall watch till the end of this video. Intro!
Yes, welcome back to
Okay guys, take it from the top. Louder.
A 1, 2.
Sachi Cybery YouTube channel. Shh. What's YouTube? Oh my gosh, this bracelet.
For our first hack, I think you already know since it's all around TikTok. So today, the first hack is all about how do we avoid those cracked spines. To be honest, I'm not one of those people who are bothered having books with cracked spines. I mean, like, that's just how I enjoyed the book. And maybe that's the only evidence that I have that I'm really into the book that I'm reading. So I have really no issues with having book cracks. But since there's like a part of me that wants to maintain my book aesthetic, like it's just there and it's pleasantly pleasing. So we will just try this hack first. Okay, now I'm watching the video on my side, so let us just see how will this go.
Welcome back to my channel, Girls Books and Bites. I am Mohita and thank you so much for joining me on this book related and food related channel. The first thing that you want to do for this is obviously have the book with you and
Okay, have
like
the book with me.
hard surface. It could be a table,
Flat surface. She says is
Just has to be
to
really hard. You can just do this on
put the
phone
book
as well. I'm gonna use
on a
this
flat
table for now.
surface.
Spine of the book on
Okay.
the floor or the table or
Oh, I
whatever
have my
surface that
bookmarks
you're gonna
here.
work on.
I'll just
And
leave
you
one.
have to keep the pages. Start taking the last and the first page of the book and
This is
start
a torture for my book, to be honest.
while, sort of, giving this the middle part of the book support. And what you want to do is start pressing on the
Okay.
seams, both the seams of the book. Where
Wait, I
binding-
think, guys, you should see me here. She says,
start
okay.
pressing on this part. And
it's like a torture.
ease into it, like, don't be very harsh with
It's
it.
like
At the
this,
same
guys.
time, also apply a little bit of pressure.
Okay, a little
And
bit
then
of pressure.
you take some more pages from here.
Okay.
And
It's
you
like
start
slowly
pressing them
binubuklat mo
down.
siya.
So what this essentially does is it makes the spine a little flexible. It's not
Okay,
going
it
to
takes me back,
suddenly,
wait. It really takes me back when I was like learning how to do gymnastics. I mean, like, or maybe any type of sport. It's like before you do something or before you go and dance, you have to stretch first or warm up just to avoid the tension around your body. So yeah, I think that's what we're doing with our book, which is a bit weird, but I am up to this game.
Now, I like to
Oh my gosh, spoiler.
physiotherapy of a book.
Wow, that's a nice fan art. Now I am seeing spoilers.
Sort of giving away under
When you're doing this, when you're stretching out the book that you're going to read yet, you just really have to avoid those spoilers since it's really visible. So, I just saw a fan art a while ago. I don't know what will I do.
So if you feel that maybe you have like
I have to maintain a balance. I'm just doing whatever, okay? I'm just doing whatever.
I'm just doing whatever, okay? I'm just doing whatever.
gathering more number of
Cheers.
pages.
Okay, get in.
Anyway.
That was enough for me because once I got into the view of the spine of my book, it already has a crack. So guys, if you're watching this video, I hope that you wouldn't do the same thing as I did, because I put too much pressure into pressing each page and I'm not making sure that these pages are balanced. You know what happened? My book has a crack in it.
Flashback.
So if you feel that maybe you have like
I have to maintain a balance. I'm just doing whatever, okay? I'm just doing whatever.
gathering more
End of flashback.
I mean, like, it's just funny to think of that the video that I'm watching right now is how to avoid or how to not crack your spine. But then, would you look at that? I will be giving you a close-up view on what I am talking about. You see the line here? I just made a crack on my spine. To be honest, I'm not one of those people who are bothered having books with cracked spines. I mean, like, that's just how I enjoy the book. And maybe that's the only evidence that I have that I'm really into the book that I'm reading. So make sure do not make that mistake, because this is the result. Oh my god. Okay guys, so this is the next hack. Hack number 2. It is how do you clean your book edges. So I have here like a vintage book. It is actually my mom's. So mom, if you're watching, I'm sorry. I have to clean this book because since it's one of your like one of the only books that you still have here in the present day. So yeah, mom, we have to clean this. So yeah, as you can see, I'll be giving you guys a preview of my mom's book. So it's really tan. It's yellowish. And it's really old. As you can see, there are a lot of cracks. But I'm impressed she doesn't have a book crack, a spine crack here. So let's just see how will this hack work. And hopefully it will be a success. The things that I will be needing here is, of course, your vintage book that you want to clean. And the second thing is sandpapers. I'm ready, guys. I'm ready.
Do the sanding until you get carpal tunnel syndrome and your book edges will look brand new.
Her video is fast. It's only 1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna do this fast too.
Oh gosh, it's a struggle. ASMR guys, ASMR. I hope you're enjoying this. It's getting white, okay? It's getting white.
It's working. Thank God it's working. I got traumatized by our first hack. To be honest, I'm also afraid in doing this because I thought like it might be that at the end of me sanding this book, the end result, the book pages will be uneven, but it turns out not on that way. So let's just start. Oh, I find it easier to do this instead. So this hack works, although you have to be careful when you're sanding the top of your book. You should not hold grudges, or maybe if you're angry and you decided to do this, no, turn away. It's not a good thing because at the end of the day, because of that anger, you might damage the top part of the book. Okay guys, so this is the last book hack that we are going to do, which will challenge our inner craftness. Got it from BuzzFeed Nifty. So we are going to do like a DIY book holder. All you need is a hanger and pliers. So this is how we're going to do it. So the video suggests is for me to bend the hanger like that. We need to make these two connect. Ano ba yan? Halatang di gumagawa ng... Ay, Diyos ko naman, Mayo.
Oh, this is a struggle for me. I'm not too strong, you know. I mean, it's already halata. It's already obvious that I'm not strong. Okay, I'm just bending it. Whatever.
Okay. Done with the bending. I don't know what will we do about that. So the next side. So be careful guys if you're going to do this at home. Do this carefully with caution. So there guys, I squeezed 2 of the sides already. Next thing we'll be doing is We will put it forward 2 times.
Okay, and another one. Okay, next one to the other side. And then once more.
The person doing this bended the neck of the hanger. It's hard. It's so stiff.
And then here. Phew, I thought I'm doing this on the wrong side. Okay, you have to bend it there.
Okay guys, I just did it. So that's how we did this DIY book stand. Now to test out how will it work. Let me grab my book. I'll just grab the old one since the other book is too damaged. Let's see for the moment of truth. Whoa! I'm not expecting for it to work. It's actually convenient. I thought it was trash. To be honest, I thought it was trash, but it was not. Would you look at that? I like it, but the only problem is if you're like done with this page already, you have to remove the book out, then slide into another page and putting it here again. I am shocked. Out of all of the hacks, I have to confess this is my favorite. Although it took me a hard time to bend the wires of my hanger, but it was all worth it. Would you look at that, guys? It really works. I'm obsessed. So that is it, you guys, for this video. Thank you for watching, and hey, don't forget to like and subscribe if you do enjoy my hacks video. Just comment down below if you have any book requests that you want me to read, in case that you have. Oh, by the way, ready, get set, and start reading. Ready, get set, and start reading. Bye.